Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify VPN effectiveness with WebRTC leak tests step by step clearly. Begin by connecting to your VPN. Choose a server location of your choice within the VPN application. Once connected, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to a WebRTC leak test website. A popular option is browserleaks.com. Once on the site, look for the WebRTC section. Take note of the IP address displayed. This should be different from your actual public IP address. If the displayed IP matches your real IP, you have a leak. If the IP is different, your VPN is likely effective. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Reconnect to the VPN to ensure a fresh test. Repeat the process by visiting the WebRTC test site again. Make sure to test various server locations if possible. Conducting multiple tests helps confirm consistent performance. Consider testing with different browsers as well. Some browsers have varying WebRTC behaviors. If you notice any leaks, consult your VPN provider. Many offer troubleshooting steps to mitigate leaks. If issues persist, consider trying a different VPN service. Regularly testing your VPN is crucial for maintaining privacy. Now you can confidently assess your VPN's effectiveness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.